How to hard reset Nokia X30. Step 1. Enter recovery mode following our instruction. Step 2. OK. Pick the wipe data, factory reset procedure by using volume keys to move and power button to select. Step 3. Use the factory data reset to confirm.